Hey Trekkies, welcome back to another video. This one is tough. I'm gonna try to get through it as best as possible. Jaheel Hyde, our national representative in the men's 400-meter hurdles, has decided to hang up his specs and retire from the sport of track and field. I'm already emotional, already been crying since I got the news. So he released this information via social media. I'm going to read to you exactly what he had to say in this release. Now, he says, when I started doing sports, my goal was to become the best, to reach the top, and to inspire a generation of athletes coming up behind me. I was blessed with the talent to excel in both track and football, but the Lord guided me towards track, and I never looked back. It's the very best in the world. No, as I step away from the sport that has given me so much, I do so with a heart full of gratitude. Track and field has shaped me into the person I am today, teaching me discipline, perseverance, and the power of belief. I want to sincerely thank my coaches, past and present, for pushing me beyond my limits and molding me into the athlete I became. To my family, friends, and fans, your unwavering support fueled me through every high and low. A special thank you to Puma for believing in me and standing by my side throughout my journey. Your support allowed me to perform at my best, and I am proud to have represented such an incredible brand. Though I am closing this chapter of my competitive career, my love for the sport will never fade. I hope my journey has inspired young athletes to chase their dreams and everything they have. Thank you, track and field. You have given me more than I could ever ask for. That is what he had to say. Alongside, he had a montage of some of those special moments, highs and also lows that he shared on his Instagram page that I will also share here in this video. I will remove a few for copyright purposes. You all know the ones that I will be removing for copyright reasons, but I remember all these moments. I don't know if I can talk about this today, honestly. So, with that said, I'm just going to leave this video here. I'll talk about this, another time.